Hey little scientist, this is Miss Sarah. I'm back in my kitchen again and I've got another experiment to do today. First one is just going to be a super quick, easy density experiment. So, some of you may know when you're at school, you're around tons and tons of other people. Very dense population at school. When you're at home, you're only around a couple people, maybe your mom and dad and any siblings or other family members that might live with you. So you're probably only home with maybe 5 people, maybe less than that. So it's much less dense at home. Same thing happens with liquids. So we're going to look at the density of some liquids. So the more dense something is, the further it will sink. The less dense something is, it will sit on top. So some of you may know this. We did this in our science program before, but you can do this at home with 2 ingredients, water and oil. So I've got about 1 cup of water here. I'm going to put that in to start, and I'm going to give it some color. So I'm going to color it this lovely pink. Let's see what color this looks like. Oh, it actually looks like it might be a little bit more of a red. So we've got our food coloring and our water. And then I also have this vegetable oil. You can use olive oil or any other types of oil that you would like. I'm going to pour some olive oil on top. And you may see that I am pouring this from the side. I'm being kind of careful. And you can see that the oil is sitting on top of the food coloring. Alright guys, so here I have my oil and my water very clearly separated. I'm going to put the lid on and give it a shake. Alright, we did a little time-lapse photography and you can see that the oil and the water have separated back out again. Now I'm going to add some salt to it and shake it up and see how that changes. So you guys may have noticed that the salt didn't really change any density. It's still water and oil, but our line is much clearer now. So the salt combined with the water bonded with it, made it much more likely to separate from the oil. So you can do these density experiments with other stuff at home, and I'm going to show you a couple other layers you can do. So we can add some other stuff like honey. I'll add some soap. You guys see the layer. Honey, soap. I'm going to add a little bit of water. I put some blue food coloring in this. And I'm going to pour it from the side so it doesn't mix right away. And then I'm going to add some more of my friend oil, which we know is going to want to stay on the top. Now, if we shake this one up, all the layers are going to want to combine because the water and the honey can be mixed together, as can the dish soap and the water. The only thing that will probably separate back out would be the oil, but as you can see right now, it's sitting in some really lovely different striations of different materials, all the different layers. If you want to make one that you can shake and shake and shake and it'll always return to whatever form you started with, you can use your oil and water and use whatever food coloring you would like. Just make sure you seal your lid tightly before you shake it. Alright guys, you can see that I have separated out into 1, 2, 3 layers.